building communication features into your app. Watch this before you choose. Today we're comparing Twilio and Bird. Both Twilio and Bird are communication platforms. They let you send messages, make calls, and connect with users globally. Let's start with Twilio. Twilio is one of the most well known platforms. It offers SMS, voice, video, email, and more. It's highly reliable and widely used by developers. Now, Bird. Bird, previously known as Message Bird, is a strong alternative. It focuses on omnichannel communication like SMS, WhatsApp, email, and chat. It's more focused on business messaging and customer engagement. Here's the main difference. Twilio is more developer focused and flexible. Bird is more business focused and communication driven. Looking at features, Twilio offers APIs for SMS, calls, video, and advanced integrations. Bird offers messaging across multiple channels with built-in tools for engagement. In terms of ease of use, Twilio has great documentation but requires more setup. Bird can feel easier for business use cases. Now pricing. Twilio can get expensive, especially at scale. Bird can be more cost effective depending on usage. So Twilio is better for developers building custom solutions. Bird is better for businesses focusing on customer communication. So which one should you choose? Choose Twilio if you want flexibility and full control. Choose Bird if you want easier business communication tools. Both are powerful, it depends on your use case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.